Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will explore the healthy pineapple-grapefruit detox smoothie recipe can be a delicious and diabetic-friendly treat when made with the right ingredients to help manage blood sugar levels. Wait, before starting video, I introduce you with elixir juice, which will help you to manage blood sugar level naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1 cup plain coconut water, 1 cup frozen diced pineapple, 1 cup packed baby spinach, 1 small grapefruit, peeled and segmented, plus any juice squeezed from the membranes, ½ teaspoon grated fresh ginger, 1 cup ice. First of all, begin by collecting your ingredients and a blender. Place the plain coconut water, pineapple, grapefruit, ½ teaspoon grated fresh ginger in the blender. Combine coconut water, pineapple, spinach, grapefruit, and any juices, ginger in a blender. If you prefer a thicker consistency, you can include 1 or 2 ice cubes in the mix. Once the smoothie reaches your desired consistency and sweetness, pour it into a glass and serve immediately. Are you ready to manage low blood sugar level at home naturally? Click link in the video description below. If you found this review helpful, please keep this video in thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.